These AI junk food arrest videos are going crazy. A large number of channels are uploading these types of videos. By watching this video, you will be able to make similar videos using Grok AI. The same process also works for object talking videos. And in the end, I'm going to reveal a bonus step, so stay tuned. So let's start. We need to cover these steps: creating a viral junk food arrest story, generating images for scenes, converting images into video clips, and finally, editing. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt to create a junk food arrest story. The master prompt link is in the description. In the master prompt, there are 3 placeholders. We need to fill them accordingly. First, food item name. For example, I'm putting KFC chicken burger. Second, food origin location. Here, put the location from where the food will be arrested. For example, KFC restaurant. Third, custom channel branding. Here, you can put your channel name that will appear in the video. For example, I'm putting Ka AI. After sending it, ChatGPT will create a copy-paste ready image generation prompt and videos with scene-wise dialogue. Step 2. Creating images from these prompts. Copy the Scene 1 prompt and go to Grok AI. Go to Image, set the ratio to TikTok size, and paste the prompt. Grok AI will generate multiple pictures. Choose the best one and download it. Repeat the same process for all the image prompts. Copy the second image prompt, paste it, download the image, and continue this process for all prompts. Step 3. Now you have the images. We will convert them into video clips. Go to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 video prompt. Then go to Grok AI and upload the first image that we generated. After uploading, Grok AI will automatically start converting it into a video, but you should cancel it. Click on Customize and paste the video prompt. Here, write the correct dialogue for the correct character. Replace human-sized with speak. Then below, write then, and again write speak. Now send it. After some time, Grok AI will generate the video. Download the video that matches perfectly. Repeat this same process for the other images and convert them into videos with the dialogue. Step 4. Align all your clips accordingly in any video editing software and export the final video. Here is the video that we created in a hurry.
KFC burger, you are under arrest for harming human health. What? I was just being sold here. You knowingly damaged people's health. I was made to taste good, not to hurt. You are guilty of harming human health.
Bonus tip. You can generate unlimited images using this website, which has many features, including a consistent character option. The link is in the description. If you reach the video creation limit in Grok, you can log in using temporary email addresses to create more videos.